Githurano gia giturwa gia president gucokerwo tariki 26 mweri ukite.
How a decision of that magnitude was made without examination of some of the most crucial documents is indeed incredibly startling.
Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta gukirira majaji na igoti karu aria mateanirie maumirira ma githurano kia president.
Kindu thaa 4 mario mucie ni kuri ngui cingirire thiini wa compound ino kana mucie uyu ciahitukira rugirine na ciagutha mwana ciambiriria kumuruira na kumuria ire ngui 5.
Gacũcũ kauria wari governor wa county ya Nyeri Mutigaire Nderitu Gachagua utharikirwo na kuragwo ni ngui muciini wa Showe county-ini ya Nyeri.
Ni handu ndaikarite muno ngeciria uhoro wa my future.
Na nyitanira na wangeci wa Jane agikurehera rugano rwa mwanake urio thondeka thabuni kumana na maguta maria marikia kuruga.